So I just had a steel target made for me. A friend of mine made a batch out of 450 hardened steel, and I'd asked him if he would put a swinger plate on it. So he kind of worked up a little device for it and put a hinge on there. Anyway, it is mounted on, well, in the back you can see the mounting. And the way he's got the mounting on it is it makes it tilt forward ever so slightly. And that's kind of important for deflection of lead and such. And then on the base, just a previously made target stand with muffler pipe and a 2x4. So this is 450 steel. It's very hard. It's not 500 steel, but we've shot this at 300 yards with a 308 and it's done nothing but leave a splatter of lead with full metal jacket rounds. This isn't one of them. Anyway, so we're going to shoot this a little bit and see if the design holds up and see if we can get the swinger plate to swing. So I got some 38 specials and I got a few 357 magnums. So I'm going to shoot the target now with my 586. I got some light 38 specials in here, so we'll see how that turns the target. Well, that seemed pretty successful. Alright, the target did really well for its first real trip out. Again, that was a 357 with a full strength one, and that just dug in just a touch. So I won't be shooting any more 357s at that inside 20 yards. Everything else I shot at this, it pretty much took. So it's discolored, but it's just basically lead. And if I'll just spin that around here, the weld here broke just because of the sheer shock, and we'll figure something out for that. Might have to keep shooting it till it breaks right off though. Alright, there goes the swinger plate. Actually, I'm just going to do some patterning of some of my shotguns here. Oh boy. Can't even see where it's hitting. So that's hitting a bit to the left. That's better. Alright. The sun's just so strong I can't tell if I'm just shooting it off a little bit to the left or if this is just shooting to the left. So the only thing on that right now is just, well, it's just the lead that's coating the target. So anyway, alright, I'm going to get my other shotgun and then try centering it and seeing if it's shooting. We're going to test the grizzly slights. Still shooting a bit low.